that was not easy. Today, we got the beautiful swivel accent chair by the wonderful Drew Barrymore. I almost called her Barry Drew Moore. Drew Barrymore's beautiful house chair thing. We're gonna do a little unboxing. Okay, so it tells me not to use a knife. Be careful to not cut the cushion inside when cutting through the seal. We're not even gonna do that. We're gonna just go like this. I got this from Walmart. It was $298, and then I got the 3-year warranty because it is the white one. If it gets ruined, it's whatever, and the warranty was like 30 bucks. I don't know. So total $330, free shipping from Walmart. It came in one day. Pretty nice. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. It can't be that hard to do this. I got this for the lady because her birthday is coming up and she's been wanting a giant chair. We've got sections. I was kind of wondering how they would ship all this. In one box, got a pillow. What is this? For moisture. Okay, let's put this somewhere. Oh, this is the heavy part. I'm losing balance. Yeah. Cool. All right, what do we got? We got some tools, looks like some bolts, and then instructions for this box. All right, so it says, put it on a sturdy surface, but what's more sturdy than the ground? We're gonna start out with this one, fresh pillows. I'm gonna take the bottom. Oh, it's nice, real soft. Okay. It says it's a max weight of 225 pounds, so take that for what you will. This is the back of it. So the question is, which part is the back part? I would assume this is. Cool. Skimming over the instructions, I guess we have to do the sides first. This is a side. Okay. These should just slide right in. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Look, you guys. Drew Barrymore right there. Get all. Try not to rip the chair. The other side on. Make sure it's completely smushed down. Also, I noticed I put a little dirt stain there. I guess it's dirty. So when you take the plastic off, you might want to wash your hands because it's white. To figure out how to clean this, because it's got my grubby little mitts all over it. But okay, I think this is the way it's done. I could be wrong. I may have to consult the instructions. I get it. I'm stupid. There's the problem. See what happens when you don't read? Turns out you're supposed to do this first. There it is. It's all making sense now. Here we go. There's just grooves you gotta put them in before you put it on the actual seat. Instructions. Okay, now you set the whole thing on these. That's good. Come on. And voila, there it is. She's on. Now we gotta flip it upside down. Without destroying my floor. So you can see, because we gotta put these things on. So I guess it comes with 4 of these little metal plates, these little guys, and then they go line up with these so your chair doesn't fall apart randomly. Make sure all this is flush, right? There it is. Just hand tighten them real quick before I use this little tiny Allen wrench to annoy me. we are. Time to flip this over and see what it's all about. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, we gotta get the pillows right. Put the pillows on to cover up the dirt marks that I've put all over it. How do they do it in the picture? Let's see. Ooh, look at this. Shing, sparkle, sparkle. Look at this nice chair. Let me go ahead and take a seat. God dang. I'd say it's comfortable. It's pretty nice. You could almost say it's beautiful. So that's it. That was the construction and unboxing of the beautiful Drew Barrymore chair, spinny chair. Just in case you guys were wondering, I'd say from this moment, we've only had it in here for like 2 seconds, but I'd say it's worth $300. We've been trying to find a chair like this for a minute, and they're like $500 to $600. So for $300, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, this is good. It's good if I had a podcast. You can sit here and do podcasting. It's comfortable. It's sturdy. It's very simple to put together. It took us like 15 minutes. That's pretty nice. It is kind of heavy, but you know what? That means it's worth something. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you were wondering, if you've seen my other unboxing of the beautiful air fryer, this is about a 1.5 years later, past that time. It's still going strong. If you want to see it, check it out. Look at it. It might be a little dirty. It's a little dirty right now because we use it every single day, but it still works. Buttons work. Look at that. Everything is air fry. Look at that. Boom. Still works perfect. Turn that off. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Maybe I'll be unboxing something. Maybe we'll be on a vacation. Maybe I just might cook something. Who really knows? I do things. Thank you. See you later.